In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use an Xbox gift card on Steam and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question, see if it is possible to use an Xbox gift card on Steam, first what you might try to do is go over to the Steam launcher or the Steam website, click on Steam gift cards, and in here you have the option to look for digital or physical gift cards and obviously the option to redeem one. If you go into redeem a gift card, you will be able to input your Xbox gift card here. However, what you will notice is that it is just going to tell you that it is invalid. So if you try to do the opposite and you visit the Xbox or Microsoft website, and then you go into the redemption page at microsoft.com/redeem, you will notice that even though you can type the code here, it's not going to be compatible with this format and the 25-character code way or type that Microsoft implies. So as of today, is it truly impossible to use an Xbox gift card on Steam? Can you only use it on the Xbox website? Are these interchangeable? Sadly, as of today, if you have an Xbox gift card, you can only use it on the Microsoft website. And if you have a Steam gift card, you can only use it within Steam itself. You cannot redeem one of these gift cards on another service, and trying to do so is only going to tell you that the gift card is invalid and that it is not accepted. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of redeeming an Xbox gift card on Steam, why you can't do it, and how you can properly go about redeeming the gift card. If you redeem it at microsoft.com/redeem, the balance will be added into your account and you can spend it online on games, expansions, add-ons, etc. So make sure that you visit this website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Xbox gift card on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.